1.
Okay, another day going to Harbor Cruise. Punta naman kami ng Harbor Cruise today. Tingnan kung anong mga view doon. Pero sasakay muna kami ng monorail again. Pero bago tayo pumunta ng monorail, dadaan ulit tayo sa Space Needle. Yan o. And dito na. Just more than 2 minutes ride. Yan ang sasakyan natin, no?
As well, it's coming in 3, 2, and 1.
Alis na kami.
My name is Ronique and I'm going to be your tour guide for this next hour-long trip around Elliott Bay.
Dito na yung mga buong shuttle. Makikita natin. Ayan, oh. Ganda ng shuttle. Tapos na kami sa Harbor Cruise. Punta na kami ngayon sa the oldest Starbucks in the world. Okay, let's go! Okay, pila kami. Bibili ng Starbucks. The oldest Starbucks in the world. Ayan na. Ayos, nakapasok kami. The best. Yeah, alam.
What's Machu Picchu doing?
Yeah. Okay, na-experience na namin ng Starbucks na oldest Starbucks sa buong mundo since 1912. Wow, that's good. Lasang 1912. At least, kunti lang ang pila. Siguro ko less than 10 minutes or less than 15 minutes lang kami kapasok na. So tapos na kami ngayon. Pupunta na namin ang Harbor Cruise tapos yung Starbucks. So see you next time. Bye bye.